In this video I would like to speak about some links between our knowledge, between different parts of our knowledge regarding environment, energy and sun. Let's start with the circulation of with carbon, of the carbon. We all know that carbon dioxide, CO2, is something that influences definitely our environment and our the temperature of the globe and so on. CO2 is made from carbon and dioxide. Dioxide is, of course, as we all know, part of the air. Carbon is part of many different things, especially living creatures are built up from carbon and hydrogen. But carbon is also found in coal and oil, that all we use in our daily life as sources of energy. What I would like to show in this video is that the living creatures are using coal or carbon also as energy. So these two are the same. And from school we know the basic circulation of the carbon, that carbon plus dioxide makes energy. This energy makes us live and move. We live and we can perform different things. And plants are returning from carbon dioxide. They are splitting using the sun or the energy of the sun into carbon and dioxide, and this dioxide is used by animals and plants, animals and human beings, again to produce energy and to live. So this part is made by plants and this part is made by animals. This might be not too new ideas for you. The novelty of what I'm trying to present is the role of the sun and the carbon when it stays alone as a kind of accumulator of energy, because we all know that this coal and this oil is both coming from the plants from the very long time ago, when plants were falling into the mud and they were transformed into coal, oil and gas, and natural gas. And we are using these energy accumulators when we again remake the CO2, and using this process we the animals and us we all live. And this energy accumulator role of the carbon we can find when it comes to our parts of the living system, because together with the hydrogen the human being internally in its own body can accumulate, can store energy. Of course, not only the bodies of the plants here become is transformed to coal, oil, and gas, but also all living creatures are at the end of the day transformed either into CO2 when let's say a wolf is eating a dead body or another animal, then when it's moving and living, then as we could see here, is transforming the body of the dead animal into CO2 while breeding, eating, and feeding its children, or whatever it's called. So, but if some parts of the body, if it's reused by another animal, is transformed into CO2. If it's not reused by another animal, it's transformed into energy conserving modes of carbon, and that's called oil and gas. What is again important, that this whole circulation is subsidized or sponsored, or how should I say it, it's made move by the sun, because the most important energy accumulating process is this one, the so-called photosynthesis. So the photosynthesis stores by dissolving the CO2 into C and O2, stores energy, and this process is the most important, that makes our whole global green life moving. And you might say that no, there are alternative energy sources also. So not only coal, oil, and gas is used for our normal life, because there is wind and there is solar energy. And what I would like to prove, of course, solar energy is sun again, so we don't have to talk too much about this. But wind, as you all might know, this is the ground. Wind is created when sun is heating air is lifting, and cold air it's coming from other parts, and this moving of the cold air in the place of the heated air is called wind. So if we say that we are using wind as producing energy, at the end of the day it's also we are using sun, because the wind is produced by sun. If we are looking on ourselves, on the whole green system, ecosystem of the globe, we just see that every plant, every animal is only a temporary energy accumulator, a temporary energy storage that stores with using chemical bonds and chemical energy, the carbon and the hydrogen stores energy of the sun, coming from the sun, and this energy is dissolved but is reused by other plants or animals. Of course, there are two basic energy sources that are even more older or parts of a more greater system, but there are on the same level as the sun is, and then one is the atomic energy that is coming from uranium, and this uranium is has been created the same time as the our globe was created, or I'm not sure exactly, but in the same time range. And the other is the geothermic energy that is also the same birth system or birth time as when the sun has been created by as following the big boom. So this is a short presentation of the idea of the carbon and the living creatures as storing energy. And if I would be a engineer or a technical minded person, I would focus all my life on how we can improve our possibilities to store energy more efficiently, because the mobiles, the size of the mobiles, the electric cars are all the bottleneck of their spread, and our bigger use is the problem of storing energy. Of course, energy, as everything, tries to increase entropy, and entropy is the process that everything wants to go away from single places to those places that there is nobody else. But maybe that's a topic of a different presentation. Thank you for your attention.